Hi, today I'll show you how to change date and time settings on T-Phone 6. Let's go to settings, then system, date and time. Need to turn off setting time automatically, and now we can choose date and change time. Also, we can select between 24-hour format and 12. And if you want to set time automatically, just press use network provided time. And that's it. Thanks for watching, press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.